guys, Duel here. I have two unboxings for today. This is my third take. The first take, I unboxed them from the packaging, and I realized I accidentally stopped the recording in the middle. The second take, I took out the flashlight, tried it, and I realized I also stopped the recording. Pretty pissed, but so I'm just gonna do this again. This is the flashlight, XML T6 super brightness zoom flashlight, excellent heat something 5 level switches, 100%, 50%, 10% strobe and SOS. Here it says model Z6. Here it says 1000 lumens, SOS beacon, and it has a 500 meter range. In this compartment, it came with some ultrafire batteries, but I already put it in. It came with this cheap battery charger. It works. I actually have another one. This is the flashlight. Police 5000 watts. Zoomable. It's really bright. This is the first mode setting. This is the second one. Third one. Strobe and SOS. If you hold it for a long time, I think this is what it does. It resets it, so hold on. Second one, third. Okay, so this one, as you can see, the SOS, it goes rotating fast. But if I hold this down for a few seconds, I let go, and I change slowly. I guess it doesn't work. Basically, it was supposed to adjust the speed of the strobe, changing to different modes, but I guess it doesn't work. But the bright side is it's really bright for a cheap flashlight. Oh, by the way, I got this off Amazon. Now for this one, I haven't unboxed this yet. I took it off the packaging, but I haven't opened it up, unlike the flashlight, so pretty excited. Oh my goodness. That was easy. So, I forgot. This is the Leatherman Wingman, model 831436. Let's put this here for a second. Oh, cool. Cute stickers. Pretty nice. Let's see if there's anything else. I think it's a pocket guide. Yes, pocket guide. I'll show you this when I review it. Can't be bothered. Too excited. So, oh man, it feels so nice. This is the Leatherman Wingman. Medium duty multi-tool. Oh crap. Almost dropped the camera. Feels really nice. Pretty oily. really smooth. Opening and closing. Tip down pocket clip. Just the blade. Half and half. And this side. Got a pair of scissors. Crap. Yeah, pair of scissors. The reason why I chose the Wingman over the Sidekick is that the Sidekick, it had a saw, and since I'm going to be EDCing this, I don't see a reason why I need a saw, and I felt that the scissors would be more useful in terms of EDCing. My tripod is going to fall down. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. It helps. Thanks for watching.